And good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the latest edition of PM Weather. I am student meteorologist Alex Herbst, here with your forecast for central New Hampshire. Well, Punxsutawney Phil brought 6 more weeks of winter for us here in the United States, and it was definitely on display all throughout New England and the Northeast, as New Hampshire and Plymouth State University were coated in another blanket of snow, with a couple of inches coming down today, seen here falling over Rounds Hall and the Mary Lyon Green. Our current conditions here in Plymouth show a temperature of 10 degrees with a dew point to match it. We have cloudy skies with a few more snow showers falling right now. Humidity is at 99%, and the winds are now out of the west-northwest at about 5 miles an hour as the snow is starting to depart the area. Our high today was around 9 degrees earlier today, but obviously those temperatures continue to rise into the evening hours. Our low was 2 degrees earlier this morning, but that wind chill is definitely making things feel like they are below zero. Our almanac shows that our sunset was at around 4:59 p.m., with a full moon to be coming up tonight, which you may be able to see in the early morning hours. Our sunrise tomorrow at around 7:03 a.m. means days are starting to get longer again. Our current temperatures here around New Hampshire, so 6 degrees to our north in Whitefield, 7 degrees to our south in Laconia, and in the southern part of the state it's 11 degrees down in Nashua. Around the northeast and New England it is 19 degrees, to the south in Providence, 14 in Boston, 21 in Bridgeport, and taking a look at temperatures nationwide, we see a strong dip in the temperatures across the eastern half of the country, with 28 degrees in St. Louis and 34 degrees in Memphis. But as we compare that to what's going on out on the west coast, we can see 51 degrees in Denver, Colorado, along with 54 degrees over in Salt Lake City. That is all part of a ridge that will be moving into our area beginning tomorrow, associated with some high pressure that will give us a little bit of a break from the snow showers, which we are under a winter storm warning right now because of those snow showers. So that snow has warranted a winter storm warning for all the areas here seen in white, including all New Hampshire counties, through around 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. Just to the north of us in Maine, there are winter weather advisories for their northernmost states, where they're expecting less accumulation than we are here in the Granite State. On our satellite and radar imagery, we can see the snow still falling over parts of eastern New Hampshire and western Vermont. To our south, we see rain that is draping along the coastline of New Jersey all the way up into southern New England. We do have some concerns about ice and freezing rain around the New York City metro area tonight. And to our west, we can see the beginning of what will be our next system. We see some snow showers up to the north in areas such as Omaha and Minneapolis. There'll be more snow building into those areas, including the Dakotas, Minnesota, over the next few hours and into tomorrow, when they'll be expecting even more snow. That could be leading into snow for us later this week. On the surface analysis, we're able to see what is going on with our systems right now. We can see over here we have our low pressure system off the coast of New Jersey, along with it some snow and freezing rain for the areas of New England and the Northeast that are still dealing with this precipitation, but that will be moving out by the end of tonight. We'll be seeing a clearing pattern by no later than midnight, and in its place comes high pressure. But right behind it, replacing that high pressure, is a low pressure center over Kansas, which with it unassociated is the rain in Texas. But more important is that snow that you're seeing over the Dakotas. That snow will then be moving into the rest of the Great Lakes region, along with parts of New England in the next 24 hours, and could be knocking on our doorstep by Wednesday. We could be seeing continued snow showers throughout Wednesday and Thursday in association with this low pressure. Our forecast model shows that the snow shall be clearing out of our area by around 10 o'clock this evening, and behind it we have clear skies continuing into Tuesday. But by early Wednesday morning, possibly as early as 2 a.m., we could be seeing the clouds and snow showers from the next storm coming into New England. Temperatures overnight tonight are likely to fall down to 0, if not lower, into the negative numbers, and then rise back up tomorrow to around 20 degrees. But definitely be careful of that wind chill, which could be still below 0 throughout the day tomorrow. So, speaking of those temperatures, tonight we're looking at a low of around 6 below here in Plymouth, with snow ending early, possibly as early as 10 p.m., possibly another inch or two of accumulation with that, with winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. For tomorrow, we're looking at 12 degrees with sunny and cold, really. We'll be seeing temperatures around 12, but those wind chills will definitely be lower than that. Winds out of the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. And for tomorrow night, 3 below is our low, mostly cloudy skies as those clouds start to move in as part of that next system of snow that will be coming into central New Hampshire. Winds will be out of the west at 5 miles an hour. And our extended forecast shows snow showers continuing Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but a temperature trend upward towards the end of the week. For PM weather, I'm Alex Herbst. Have a great night.